Samsung Galaxy A55 5G not launching in US. Now, what's the alternative? In a heartbreaking announcement, Samsung has confirmed that it's not considering the launch of Galaxy A55 5G in the US market at all. Samsung stated in an official announcement, "We can confirm that Galaxy A35 5G will be coming to the US market and look forward to sharing more details in the coming weeks. While we will not be carrying Galaxy A55 5G at this time, consumers can still take advantage of our Galaxy innovation at great value with Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 FE, just a week after the debut of Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 in the mid-tier smartphone lineup of the company. The former one seems to outperform the rest of the contenders of A-series after hitting the market. Both the latest additions to the A-series stand as the first priority of Samsung enthusiasts for offering a range of features that cater to diverse needs and preferences in exchange of a fair yet affordable cost. While it's not clear what prompted the South Korean smartphone manufacturer to halt the launch of its most popular A-series handset in the US, but the company recommended the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 FE as the similarly spec'd alternative phones for those eager to own a Galaxy A55 5G. The suggested smartphones, Galaxy S23 and S23 FE, costs runs at $799 and $599 respectively, whereas the Samsung Galaxy A54 was listed at a price tag of $450. Now, these price ranges have positioned the A-series handsets at a significant distance. It's yet to be witnessed how much costly the Galaxy A35 will be once it's out in the market. What gives us an idea of the expected cost of the Galaxy A35, which is launching in the US, is the price of the Galaxy A25, which can be bought for $299. This shows that the upcoming A35 variant might come for $349 or $449.